Hey there kids, 9 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the quadratic formula. And by quadratic formula, I mean solving using it, because obviously anyways, here we have a quadratic equation, which is 4k squared minus 8k plus 3 equals 0. You see, this equation is actually ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we substitute those a, b's, and c's for how we solve the equation. Now, the actual quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root. B squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And by all over 2a, I mean divided by 2a. So we substitute a, b, and c for all of this. A would be an 4, b would be a negative 8, and c would be a 3. If we plug these into the equation, we get x equals 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 48, all over 8. See, very simple. And if we solve it out, we would get 8 minus the square root of 16, plus or minus the square root of 16, sorry there, which would just be 8 minus 4 over 8, or 8 plus 4 over 8, because the plus or minus. If you solve both of these, you get 1/2 or 0.5, and 1.5 or 3/2. And that's the answer to the main equation. That's how you solve. It's very simple. Next up is the discriminant, which in the quadratic formula equation is the b squared minus 4ac. If we do that, we get 64 minus 48, which is 16. And 16 is the discriminant. You see, if the discriminant is a positive number, it has two real roots, or x-intercepts, where it hits on the line. If it's a negative, it has 0, and it never hits the x-axis. If it's just 0, then it has one time where it hits the x-axis. So since it's 16 and it's a positive number, that's two real roots. So the answers to all of this is 0.5, 1.5, two real roots, and 16. It's all that simple. Now, before you ask, yes, this was a homework assignment, I don't want to talk about it.